Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this super easy braided updo on long thick hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair on the left hand side from just above the ear to the top of the head. Then pull this section back and do a regular 3-strand braid, angling it towards the back of the head. I've also left a little bit of hair out around the front to frame the face. Secure the braid with an elastic band and gently pinch and pull at the edge of each stitch of that braid to make it more voluminous. Repeat on the right hand side, so divide it from the top of the head to just above the ear, leaving a little piece out to frame the face. And again we're going to do a standard 3-strand braid, but only do this for a few inches. Pinch and pull for more volume. Now we're going to join these two braids together towards the right hand side of the head. Next, take a large chunk of hair from the left hand side, twist this tightly towards the head, bringing it over to the right hand side, and I'm going to pop a couple of fingers behind the braid, then pass that twist to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Combine the ends with the ponytail. And then I'm going to take a small section of hair just behind the right hand ear and do the same steps. So twist it tightly towards the head, pop your fingers back behind the elastic band, grab the twist and pull it all the way through. Then secure everything together with another elastic band. Then we're going to do one more 3-strand braid, and I'm going to stand at the right hand side of the head and start braiding this outwards. Pinch and pull that braid for more volume, and then we're going to secure it with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull it part way through to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. Then we're simply going to roll this up sideways until it reaches the nape of the neck, and then secure it all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.